So, hello guys, today we have the unboxing of the Radeon RX580. So you guys might be thinking, why are we reviewing right now a graphics card that has already been out in the market for quite some time? Well, the thing is that for nowadays you can get one of these for under 200 euros, which for most people that play at 1080p makes for a perfect graphics card to upgrade your old system. And that's why we decided to see how well it fares in various gaming titles at 1080p, and we will post the review on our channel and our website. But if you have any special game that you want us to review on this graphics cards, please let us know. But this is all info, but let's start with this product. We have the Sapphire version, the Nitro Plus, which is a version that is factory overclocked and usually has a better cooler than other RX580s from other brands, because there was no reference model of the RX580. We also have dual BIOSes, which is good for those of you that liked to have, like, for example, a mining BIOS with certain memory timings and one for gaming. And it's always good if you want to try to avoid like if a flash goes bad, it's always good to have a backup BIOS. And you have some technologies like DirectX 12, Vulkan, Radeon Chill. That's the usual. The Chill and the Vulkan is the usual on this Polaris architecture. On the back, we got some more features. We see that we have. It's really similar to the RX 480 Nitro Plus that you already had in the previous generation. And this is the 8GB version. We also have the 4GB version of the RX580, but there's nothing like showing what's inside and opening up. Inside the colorful box you find this brown box where the graphic card comes in. It's really similar to the RX480 once again, because I used to have an RX480 Nitro 4GB, so I know that this is the same box. And here you have the driver installation disc, if anyone uses one of those still nowadays. Information about which position is which for the BIOS. And just a quick install guide as well. But the most important part is clearly the Nitro that's over here. So I'm just gonna make it take the most space. So here you have the graphics card, and you have two 92mm fans which will cool the RX580, which is a bit power hungry, so it needs the good cooling. But here you see that it's a beefy cooler. These two heat pipes are quite thick, and you also have a backplate which adds up to the good quality look of this graphics card. It's a bit weird that they didn't choose to cover the pins. Some of the brands do, like these pins are usually covered. And here you have the BIOS switch. It's a really small switch, so you have to be careful not to break it, because it's a little plastic tab and sometimes it gets broken. In terms of ports, we got one DVI, two HDMI over here, and two display ports over here. In terms of power connections, we have one 6-pin PCI Express, another one 8-pin, and we also have this Sapphire logo over here on top, which will light up. So all in all, it's a pretty good looking graphics card. So up next we're gonna install it in the system, but this was just a quick unboxing video, so I could ask you guys what kind of games you want us to review with this card. This card will be compared with an RX 560, because most of you maybe sometimes have older cards and now have a little bit more money, so you can buy an upgrade, and you can see how well it fares against an RX 560 4GB. I'm gonna review Fortnite, Apex Legends, Dirt Rally, Forza Horizon 4, and another game that I don't remember yet. also 3D Mark as usual. But if you want any specific game on this graphics card, please let me know and I'll try to review it. So as always, see you in the next video guys. Comment and like our videos. See ya.